Torque on small setting, very small play in the head, barely can hear it. On higher setting, you can hear it now popping. If I tied it more, it's gonna be hard by hand. I would have to put on a socket, but if it's pop, if you can break it on by hand like this, it works. On higher torque, it's hard to do it by the hand. I can do it by hand, but on small setting, popping noise will be harder to hear if it's the lowest setting. Higher setting it is, you can hear it better. That's why you have to listen and feel it in the hand.